Through this moment calendar at Saturday, speaking English, say about that for international involved with experienced telecommunications contact bodies of natural name Irwan Cornell. Delegation for regions on town Medan or country in Indonesia can be trust and confirmation by again for sharing about this. This context say name Irwan Cornell need to be registered for his case on international court can do through internet global and made on this moment calendar. This suggestion is from international court actually delegation by them on domicile town Medan or country Indonesia need to be confirmation again after this internet conference. On this calendar Saturday 27 November 2021. Name Irwan Cornell on money reward 22 trillion rupiah. Actually already recognized since 2010-2012 until this year 2021 gave a claim on internet global and want to execute about that through international court for the decision or the investigations about the truth reasons by this moment progress. Already being agreed by international court with delegations contact confirmation back again after this moment conference. 6661 Conescal free meaning for the title internet ID on this day. Ownership by name Irwan Cornell, domicile residence on Country Indonesia Town Medan. Basically about claim pioneering existence case supernatural on this millennium with his status as premier victim being bullied day after day, years after years until this 2021. Already being recognized for the zone territory activity also. Experienced telecommunications contact with the supernatural, very dangerous and on impact for the true life ordinary. With premier alibi also still about ordinary life 6661 for discovery meaning. Definitive being bullying, being a prank and non being responsible by syndicate or social work criminal actually method supernatural from country Indonesia and also the connection international. People from countries Asia also. Context said their connections activity include also about ordinary life with following case behind, such also ordinary job name Irwan Cornell. Then include also for ID Oknum or Indonesian county government from Jakarta and also town media. Already being claimed by the ID 6661 for the scout framing since years before 2021. Include also about the police or Oknum by police local domestic town Medan or also Jakarta being investigated for showing their status include on the syndicate. 6661 for the scout framing for the title about the international code name Irwan Cornell on this day. 22 trillion rupiah context being registered and already being agreed for that on international court as one part case premier on this millennium. Actually name Irwan Cornell already being investigated definitive on experience already about people's doing activity criminal supernatural for his ordinary life. Since 2008 with their connection syndicate activity criminal supernatural also Entertainment National Indonesia Jakarta suspect also with them. And 6661 for the scout free internet ID name Irwan Cornell already being approved as non-internet hoax on this day. And also about the money reward still context definitive going to be investigate for the basic reason also zone territory activity peoples doing supernatural on country Indonesia, Aceh, and through also Irian Jaya or Papua, and also Java Island or Jakarta. 6661 Konisca family also going to be proof about a claimed international alibi for the case to Alien Family Global International. But about claim international ID 6661 Konisca family activity human commanding ghosts from grave or drukunism or occultism from country Indonesia. Definitive name Ron Cornell being investigated also for his status as a hero or female pioneer of the existence case since 2008. On social country Indonesia and include also the connection friendship internet or international for the case. Supernatural on this millennium claims suspect to human commanding ghosts from grave or occultism local domestic from countries. Female to country Indonesia about Jifuha or also Jawen for the meaning, and also Big Ganjang or ID to ethnic costumes local from Town Medan or Sumatra province, Karo and Nias and also Batak. Context 6661 for the scout primary, and the ID name Iran Connect. Definitive famous and popular about the case and already our alibi for the next evidence by peoples about victim on international for the situation conditions case supernatural among countries already goes to internet ID 6661 for the scout meaning by them victim from countries context this moment situation experience case international supernatural definitive very dangerous and already attention to internet ID 6661 for the scout meaning about that and also for the money reward name Ron Cornell being agreed being approved for this moment progress also definitive pioneering in the existence case and need to be conference or being registered on international court for sure about that the execution and also about the money reward for name Ron Cornell and already our conversations also with Alien Family Global International about a claim ownership discovery numbering code people 666 by 6661 for discovery meaning. Also already being approved, being agreed, being investigated for the status the true 666 actually. Definitive non-hoax on internet global. Appointment about decoration, proclamation, existency, national money logo, alien family, numbering code people. Continue conversation alien with human countries, Uni Europa or before resistance Uni Europa and also America through also about RFID or United States of America also about code human commanding goes to grave, code Jihua, code millennium, code decoration, proclamation, existency, national money logo 666, island family ownership, code digital money or code forex or code internet also. We know about that. And to this moment calendar contact still going on saying international through countries Europe or Uni Europa actually countries on continents Uni Europa already made agreement for the existence national money logo 666 alien family patent internet ID 6661 for the scarf family definitive big permission for the momentum happening on the day. Contact need to be conference need to be reported by internet ID 6661 for the scarf family on this moment also. Contact say from Sweden and also about countries another on Uni Europa. And also about money logo Euro. Supporting the existence of national money logo 666 alien family ownership. They're already being agreed. Definitive patent by internet ID 666 Islam, 666 kingdom in the world, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Bodhicitta, 666 Caesar, 666 Emerter America, 666 ICDM, 666 Irwan Kondis remaining and etc. Context include also about that want to be confirmed, want to be report conference on this moment also. Name Irwan Cornell being agreed for all packet on this moment conference and still need to be following for the progress to future. About also execution for giving money reward for name Irwan Cornell 22 trillion rupiah just for name Irwan Cornell by all countries, or about responsible also premier to Indonesia country for that. Aceh and also another local from domestic national Indonesia through also Java Island and also Irian Jaya through Irian Jaya also. Definitive made conspirations rising iconic new chambers national politic young name Irwan Cornell country Indonesia being ruling for name Irwan Cornell on ordinary life name Irwan Cornell. Context said this also about ordinary job name Irwan Cornell. Usaha tambal ban Irwan Cornell. Inco also as one packet need to be conference for the investigation. About their status also as premier suspect on this moment experience. Human commanding goes to grave by maraknya usaha tambal ban perbengkelan on these years. Local domestic national country Indonesia on new business very stranger, very weird. Maraknya usaha tambal ban perbengkelan. Only claim on internet by 666 Wong discovery about the courtesy also from zone territory local town Medan North Sumatra province. Already being seen by international and 666 Wong discovery definitive on alibi about that still being investigated for sharing about money reward for name Irwan Cornell. Name Irwan Cornell definitive premier alibi for international many victim very dangerous activity supernatural on this day. Since 2008 until this year 2021, already been following by experience together international community about supernatural case activity human commanding goods from Great, Kok Dukun, Kok Juhua, Kok Begu Ganjam from country Indonesia, and also about their friendship, internet, global social media, and newcomers also. Context say need to be reported also, need to be conference also on this moment calendar. Bigo Apeka context says there's also one zone territory for their activity supernatural. Very seen and definitive conspiration for their talking each other about the supernatural. Premier actually for about internet ID 6661 called discovery meaning. Context say name Irwan Cornell definitive on alibi about this moment case pioneering and still being conspired by unresponsible peoples. Inco also local domestic national Indonesia police also, such also name of them also, and also Indonesia country peoples, local domestic ethnic costumes local also, and also about politic national Indonesia still premier to country Indonesia as suspect on this day. Context said these conspiracies are now religions ID definitive already being recognized by international, and premier also attention about internet ID 6661 for discovery for claim ounce money reward about that 22 trillion rupiah by country Indonesia as premier responsible for that. Aceh and through also another local domestic on country Indonesia in Java Island and also through Irian Jaya or Papua. Context said their definitive status premier suspect on this day, and on basic background indication also for about chasing or jealousy Iconic historical national initial, parents name Irwan Cornell, ID Bana James Bond, 0001. General Pangkostrat, Executor Gate 30 SPKI. To this moment, calendar already being contact to name Irwan Cornell for the conference made and register also on international court. Germany also, France also, and Europe also, and America also. For about existence case, they will reclaim on internet ID 6661 for scarf criminal. Case phenomena supernatural claim suspect activity primaire actually human commanding goes to grave. Human civilian from country Indonesia, ethnic customs local by them. Conspiration also about their activity ordinary business. Sabotage usaha tambal ban name Irwan Cornell since 2010, 2012, 2015 until this year 2021. Definitely non-responsible to name Irwan Cornell about money reward to name Irwan Cornell. Definitive very conspiration and want to escape for their status actually as premier victim suspect for name Irwan Cornell. Context say they are truly suspect, non-victim actually. Context say international already recognize about them. This moment experience telecommunications contact supernatural already include also for agents their own domicile residence address also on County Indonesia, Iko also Town Medan, North Sumatra Province. Indonesia country own supernatural activity manipulate for about pioneering existence case internet ID 6661 for the discovery meaning and Alien Family Global International also with context say only being agreed non guilty definitive basically not guilty for this moment experience years after years definitive goes to human as suspect actually primer about costume or about dukunism, occultism, voodooism from county Indonesia, Big Ganjang actually from town Medan, North Sumatra Province. Definitive activity human commanding ghosts from grave, human witch or about ethnic by them. 6661 called scarf meaning internet ID that already being recognized and famous through countries on appointment about pioneering existence case supernatural on this millennium. For also next to Alien Family Global for the license or patent about status as the true 666 in the world. Appointment declaration proclamation existence Alien Family ownership national money logo. Continue conversation alien with Europe and America since years before reform 6661 for the scarf criminal. Actually, Alien Family International also recontacting international court and also government United States America. But about internet ID 6661 for the scarf criminal, definitive the true 666 in the world, definitive appointment map of the West International, United States America and also Europe. And based context already being agreed on permission for the declaration's momentum and already support definitive signature by countries from Uni Europa. Context include also France and also Germany and also Sweden also and also Norwegia and Morocco also, England also and another. Very many include also Austria and countries from Russia also supporting existence Alien Family National Money Logo 666. The true 666 by 666 Islam, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Kingdom in the world, 666 Iconic Caesar Emperor Imperium, 666 Bodhicitta, 666 America Emerter, 666 ICDM, 666 etc. 666 around for discovery. Definitively 2666 in the world. Alien reincarnation human. Alien Amerter Commandant National Ethereum Galactica. Context says supported or included by them countries from Uni Europa. Context said this confirmation also include United States of America. For the momentum, the Allen family definitive own international self-confession money logo for their attribute also, their ownership asset also. And just got contact on this last second also. Include also about Internet Global, Allen Family International on Basic Confession International money logo 666. It also about their status as owner to Internet Global. Internet going to honor text about that for made following Confession International money logo 666. That also as one considerance for reward money to name Irwan Cornell as Stockholm also or being conversation again after this moment internet. Context say one packet together my reward 22 rupiah for name Irwan Cornell. Include also about status as Stockholm for the decorations existence money logo 666 Allen family ownership or international 22 trillion rupiah being confession for that. On this moment calendar, but again for reminding about the primary topic actually 6661 Koniscar family being registered as case for decisions appointment money reward for name Irwan Cornell International Court. Contact for that on this moment calendar. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. People can search for the updates and information actually for the next conference internet ID 6661 for this conference also through internet global social media and just get contact also. This on unlimited time process for the realization and need to be patient or tolerance by name Irwan Cornell also actually. For the realization money reward or option as Stockholm about existence in national money logo 666 Allen family global. Contact just happen and say also name Irwan Cornell going to be honored for the money logo 666 actually in front of law international court as part of Allen family global international. For the moment next journey called Millennium Allen family existence in national money logo Allen family 666. But about digital money, about internet global, tax for internet, directorate tax internet for Allen family ownership asset, context similar with that. Forex global include also about that. Thank you very much. Through Facebook and YouTube and Pinterest can be found ID 666 ICDM and still waiting for the subscribe and about the commitment, the realizations. Thank you and that's all for now. Any else for the contact report on this moment? Say this conference definitive can be translated and perfecting back again, not to be worried by name Irwan Cornell. Definitive about my reward to name Irwan Cornell. Not going to be disturbed and going to be processed by international supporter, Internet ID 6661 for this company, international court actually. Context says similar with them. Okay, I think that's all. There isn't any more for the contact report. Experience telecommunication getting silent and very quiet for the last second. Thank you very much. Contact just happened again. This process on unlimited time for the realization and also realization project appointment as meaning. Okay, thank you and see you again on my next internet. The 6th day God was created human as similar with Father and Son and Holy Spirit. Ellen Family Global confirmation back for the momentum decorations proclamation existence national mine logo 666. Patent and ownership include also name Iran Cornell. Status chairman or chambers for the pioneering. See you again on my next internet. 6661 for discovery, always supporting Alien Family Global International. Holy Spirit destiny. This moment appointment centurion definitive already happened, and I'm trying for the maximum about the progress. Struggling existence case human commanding goes to grade. Called millennium, called Juhuang, called Big Ganjam, called reform numbering called people. But 666 no one called discovery. 666 Trinity Christianity, PPG 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Islam, 666 Caesar, Imperium Emperor, Rome, 666 Kingdom in the world, 666 Bodhicitta, 666 Egyptian, 666 Emerter America, 666 everyone can discount permanent etc. 666 ICDM. Thank you and see you again. Contact just happens. This include also attention and being watched by international networking TV from countries, include also CNN and also another ESPN and American TV networking online also, and radio also being contact and need conference contact similar like that.